Hello viewers, WhatsApp Ask Meta AI option not showing in iPhone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix it. So let's see the step. For solving this problem, first of all, go to App Store. Now click on search bar and search WhatsApp. From here, update your WhatsApp if available any update version. Now go to settings, scroll down and go to general. Now go to iPhone storage and scroll down, find WhatsApp and go to WhatsApp. Upload your WhatsApp and then reinstall WhatsApp again. Now wait for completing the install process. After all process, now go to WhatsApp and check Ask Meta AI option showing now. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more updates.